Hello, you all. How are you guys doing? How has been your week? We thank the Lord for yet another opportunity to be in the kitchen. To Him be all the glory. Today, I'm going to be making a jam, marmalade, and I'm going to be making a orange jam or tangerine jam. So let's see what we are going to be using for our jam today. I have my tangerine. I would have used orange, but the color is not that rich. So I prefer to use tangerine for my marmalade. So here I have 8 tangerines, sweet in color. The color is so rich. So when you're picking out the tangerine or the orange you want to use for your marmalade, make sure the one that is rich in color. So, and I'm having my sugar. We will be doing the measurement as we proceed. And you will also see the measurement at the description below after the video. So thank you for staying with me. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get them washed because we need the vex. We need the vex. So we will get it washed thoroughly. So let's see how we do it. So I'm going to sprinkle some vinegar to get anything out, any bacteria out of it. So I rub it up with my vinegar, remove my label, so you can rinse it anywhere, anyhow you want to. So open up the water. I'm going to be cutting it into half. Cut. You see how rich it is. So I'll cut it into half. So I'm going to now squeeze the juice out. I'll make sure that I keep this because I'll be using it. Just squeezing the juice out. Squeeze and squeeze. I'm going to squeeze one more. So in case you have a juice machine, you can juice it out. But this works for me. So I'm going to be pouring the juice in a jar. And I'm going to leave it. This is what I've got. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'll be scraping out all we have in. So I'll use the help of my bowl, my spoon, to scrape it out. Into a pan. Scrape out. This is what you need. This will help you add some flesh. So I'm going to set this aside. So now I'm going to work with this. I'll cut it into two because I need to be able to navigate inside. So this one in, that's the whiter part inside, is bitter. So we need to scrape it out. We don't need that. You don't need it in your marmalade. It's going to be very bitter. We only need the vex. So you remove everything in. So you see what you need. This is what we need. So I'm going to remove everything. Scrape it till where you get your vex. I'm setting this aside. Okay. I'm doing this to this other one. Clean the inside thoroughly. So in case you even want to do your flavor, that's your orange flavor. This is what you need to. You see? Okay. So now I'm going to be slicing it. So slice it to what? Not too thin. I'm gonna put it in a bowl. We're done with this. So the next of it, I'm going to cut out this. I'll cut out this. So I'm going to peel it out. Now I'm going to peel out this. I need just this. I don't need this, and I don't need the seed. Yes. Make sure there is no seed in. So you can see this is what we need. Because I like my marmalade that has flesh. So this is going to coat the flesh in. So we're done. So I'm going to use a strainer to strain up this that I collected and strain up my juice. So this, so this is it. And this is my juice. So I'll pour it in case there is anything that still need to come out. So I use a strainer to be sure that there is nothing. So I'm done. So I'm going to use a scale now so that we'll be able to know our measurement. So we are in 0. I'm pouring in the juice and I'm pouring in my Vex and I'm pouring in. So I have 415. So my measurement is 415. So I'll be pouring it in my pot. So I need sugar that is also 415. Sorry. Okay. So this is 200. So I'm going to mix it over and I'll put on my fire. So I'm going to allow it to come to a boil and add in lemon. I'm going to, it's boiling a little, so I just want to mix it up. You see that it has doubled in size because of the sugar, so you are going to leave it and keep mixing as it comes.